Baby Mogul, where learning about money is fun.
Last time, we learned that money can be cash or digital with cards and apps. Yay! But what if we want something big, like a bike, a computer, or even a trip? We need a plan. Planning big purchases means saving a little at a time until we have enough. Instead of spending all our money right away, we set a goal. If a bike costs $100 and we save $10 each week, after 10 weeks we can buy it. Planning helps us stay patient and excited while we reach our goals. Let's practice! Which of these are big purchases we might need to plan for? A pack of gum. Nope, that's small. Yay for spotting it. A bike. Yes, big purchase. Woohoo! A vacation with family. Correct, big goal. Yay! An ice cream cone. Nope, that's small. Try again. A computer or tablet. Yes, big purchase. Great job. A new pair of shoes. Correct. Could be a big purchase. Yay. A candy bar at checkout. Nope, that's impulse, not planned. Woohoo. A car for grown-ups. Yes, big purchase. Fantastic. A house for grown-ups. Correct. Biggest purchase of all. Yay. A notebook for school. Nope, that's smaller. Everyday spending. Awesome work, friends! Big purchases don't happen all at once. When we plan, save, and stay patient, we reach our dreams one step at a time.
Baby Mogul. Smart money, happy hearts. See you next time.